Antonin Scalia has passed away. There is an opening in the Supreme Court, and I would like to put a name forward. Now, it is a name that Republicans and Democrats could agree to, now, which would be fairly unusual, obviously. The Republicans are going to want to resist anyone that President Obama nominates. But I have a unique candidate that can get the job done. It is a former clerk of Antonin Scalia. So in honoring Antonin Scalia, let us take that former clerk and put him on the Supreme Court. I mean, he's a Harvard law professor, one of the most respected legal minds in the country. Yes, Larry Lessig. Now, the Republicans will say, no, but he's a Democrat. But first of all, he's been an independent for his whole life. Yes, he ran as a Democrat recently. But near the end of his campaign, he said, I might run as an independent again. And second of all, yes, Democratic presidents pick progressive Supreme Court justices. Republican presidents pick deeply conservative Supreme justices. But here you have a person who recently declared himself a Democrat, has been an independent his whole life, clerked for Scalia, and most importantly, if you want money out of politics now, he is the godfather of getting money out of politics movement. Now, another good sign about that, and a reason to pick him is, well, conservatives also agree we need to get money out of politics. In a recent poll, over 80% of Republicans said money has a corrupting influence on politics. We've got to put an end to it. Over 80% of Democrats agree money has a corrupting influence on politics. Who's the one guy who's been championing this cause for longer than anyone else? Larry Lessig. So if you want to make Republicans happy, actual Republican voters, not Republican politicians, if you want to make Republican voters, Democratic voters, the whole country happy, and pick a former clerk of Scalia, there is the perfect candidate, one of the best legal minds in the country, Professor Larry Lessig. It's the only nomination that would have a chance of passing. It's time to do it right now. Put Lessig on the Supreme Court. You want to get money out of politics? Well, you could almost do it immediately by doing that selection. Wouldn't that be amazing?